Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel IQ Enlightened. Hope all of you are good. Today my topic is on Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh geographical factors. This union territory is situated between 32 degree 15 minutes north and 37 degree 05 minutes north and 72 degree 35 minutes east and 83 degree 20 minutes east. Geographically, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. This region does not receive any rain but is covered with snow almost the whole year. So there is a little possibility of agriculture. The region has very few trees. Provisions for the formations of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir were contained within the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganizations Bill 2019, which was passed by both houses of the Parliament of India in August 2019. The purpose of the bill is to reconstitute the existing state of Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, with effect from 31st October 2019. In Ladakh, the mountain slopes have extensive pastures, so almost every family keeps some livestock such as sheep, yaks, cows and goats. The people eat meat and milk products like cheese and butter. Pashmina wool from the sheep is the main source of the income for the people. This wool gives high return. The people in Ladakh sell this wool to traders from Kashmir. Historical factors. Ladakh was considered as a good trade route. There were many passes through which caravans of traders traveled to today's Tibet. These caravans carried various items such as textiles, spices, raw silk, carpets, etc. with them. Ashoka introduced Buddhism to Kashmir in the 3rd century BC. This was later strengthened by Kanishka. Buddhism reached Tibet via Ladakh, that is also called Little Tibet. Islam came to Kashmir during 13th and 14th century AD. Zain-ul Abidin 1420 to 70 was the most famous Muslim ruler of Kashmir. Effects of these factors on diversity. The above historical factors are responsible for the existence of different religions in Ladakh. The people in Ladakh practice Buddhism, Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, etc. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Buddhist fairs and festivals are celebrated here with full enthusiasm. Ladakh has a rich traditions of songs and poems. Muslims and Buddhists both perform and sing local versions of the Tibetan national epic, the Kesar Saga. However, these historical and geographical factors are connected to each other. For example, it was the geographical factors that encouraged the people of Kerala to cultivate spices that attracted traders to this region. Similarly, the special geographical location of Ladakh gives favorable conditions for shipping and producing pashmina wool. This attracted a large number of buyers and traders. It was also considered a good trade route because it had many passes through which caravans traveled to regions like Tibet. In this way, history and geography are often tied in the cultural life of a region. We have seen that Ladakh and Kerala have different geographical features, but the history of both regions has similar cultural influences. Thank you.